All right, to solve these problems, these are called linear inequalities. You're going to solve them just like you would a normal equation and then graph them on a number line. Remember, less than is the inequality that looks most like an L. More than is the one that doesn't look like an L. So I'm looking at x minus 1 is less than 3. 2 times x plus 4 is more than or equal to 10. Those compound ones to the right, 2x plus 4 is more than or equal to negative 8 and less than 10. And then the last one, x minus 4 less than negative 4 or 2x plus 2 more than 8. So make sure you know the direction of the inequality, whether it means less than or more than. I'm going to solve these the normal way, graph them on a number line, and then use interval notation. So here we go. So on that first one, solving that for x, I added 1 to both sides, and that gave me x all by itself. X are all numbers less than 4, but not equal to 4. So that would be an open circle on 4 with a solid circle or a solid arrow pointing to the left, which means the answer to this inequality are all numbers less than 4. I could plug in any number less than 4 into that and make that inequality true. For interval notation, again, a arrow going to the left would be negative infinity, and then 4 would be open rounded bracket because that's an open circle. So that next one, I distributed the 2 times the x plus 4. That gave me 2x plus 8 greater than or equal to 10. Took away 8 on both sides. That gave me 2x greater than or equal to 2 divided by 2. That gave me all numbers greater than or equal to 1 will work if I plug it into that inequality. That would be a solid circle on 1 because it's included. Arrow going off to the right, more than's to the right, less than's to the left. Interval notation would be a square bracket on that 1 to positive infinity rounded bracket to the right. I'm going to do the next two. Hopefully my sound will keep working. The first of the compound inequalities, again, that one is a triple inverse operation. You do inverse operations to all three parts. So start by taking away 4 on all three parts, divided by 2. That gave me the answer x is greater than or equal to -6 and less than 3. So all the numbers sandwiched between -6 and 3, but not including 3, will work if you plug it in. And then interval notation would be square bracket on the -3 to rounded bracket on the +3. Last one. And that last compound inequality, you solve those both separate. And then you graph them both on the number line. The arrows will usually always be pointing in opposite directions for those OR ones. Those AND ones, those compound ones, always have the inequality be shaded sandwiched between those two numbers. So when I solve those both, I get x is less than -3, and I get the other one after solving that two-step equation, x is greater than +3. So both open circles because they're not including those numbers. Anything less than -3 is to the left. Anything more than +3 is to the right. And then interval notation would be from -infinity to -3 with that union symbol, and then 3 to +infinity. I'm going to have you go to the next page, and I'll come around and try to help you as much as I can. Good luck.